I always hate how that happens whenever I start the recording and ad happens. But welcome everybody to another episode of CEW. It will be a triple threat match between Batman, Robin, and Prince, #1 contenders match for the world title. This is to end off the saga between these four men, well, plus Bear. You know, Batman, Robin, Prince, and Bear, the champion. So yes, #1 contender, it is a over-the-top rope battle royal, but there are also pinfalls. Arm drag by Robin and a punch by Prince in a test of strength. Batman wins the test of strength. Prince had a very dominant match. Well, he got dominated by the Bear in that death match that we had a couple days ago. Well, no, yesterday. Prince didn't even lose by pinfall or submission. He got knocked out. Robin now booting both of them. You know, a double suplex by Prince and Robin. Batman and Robin. Hero and sidekick. Going head to head. Body slam by Batman. Oh! Robin's out. Robin has been eliminated. Batman now dragging Prince. Boot to the midsection and a double foot stomp to the back. These sniffles are still killing me. Oh, and a snapmare by Prince. Oh, pinning him. Rope break. And another double foot stomp to the back. Batman has not won any matches in CEW. He lost to Prince on the first episode 2 years ago. That's the only world title match he's ever received. But when he faced the Bear in a #1 contenders match, obviously the Bear beat him with the Cobra Clutch, and then when Robin could have won Batman an opportunity at the title, Robin lost. So could Batman finally earn his shot at the world title? Oh! Curtain call! Curtain call! 1, 2, that's gotta be it. Oh wait, no, Batman kicks out though. Kicks out of Prince's finishing move. Prince now dragging... Sorry for the sniffles, guys. This is... I've had him for a long time. I've been blowing my... Another curtain call! 1, 2, and Prince, no! Kick out from Batman. Kick out from Batsy. Oh, and another... Jeez. A fury of punches. There's no way. A third curtain call. Oh, but both of them get up. Prince doesn't even go for the pinfall. Batman with a crossbody. Oh, I think Batman was going for a splash, but Prince got up in time. Snapmare by Prince. Oh. Oh, I think he was going to go for the curtain call, but Batman just fell. 2, 3, no! Batman kicks out again. How resilient is he now? Running Bulldog. And another curtain call. And a knee to the face. Oh! Feel the glow, I guess. Or rear view. Not feel the glow. Man, it's been a while since Naomi was in WWE. I forgot the name of her finisher. What? He's just gonna pin him off of that. Batman now dragging Prince, picking him up now. Oh, small package by Prince. 1, 2. Oh, Batman kicks out again. Low blow. No. Prince with the low blow. And now a curtain call. But he's in the ropes. So that's not going to help him. Okay, good job by Prince taking Batman to the middle of the ring. And a knee to the back. And another knee. DDT to Batman. That's the move that put him away on episode 1, 2, 3. How fitting. The move that beat Batman on episode 1 beat Batman today. Even though he just had another opportunity, Prince is going to have another opportunity at the title on the next episode. This has been it for Fire Pro Wrestling 2. CEW, I think episode 7 at this point. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.